How to adjust Q sensitivity in 8-ball pool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're playing 8-ball pool and want to adjust the Q sensitivity, then first of all, open the 8-ball pool app and sign into your account. From the main lobby page, go to the top left corner and tap on your current avatar. After you're inside the profile section, tap on the gear button at the top right corner to open settings. Once you open the settings menu, scroll down and look for the Q sensitivity option. From the Q sensitivity tab, choose your preferred level such as slow, normal, or fast. After making your selection, get back, and that's how you easily change or adjust your Q sensitivity in 8-ball pool. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.